Hey guys, the Star Player here with another episode of my Autodesk Inventor 2012 tutorial series. So in this episode we'll be focusing on how to make assemblies and drawings. So first we'll start off with a simple part. I'll just make it a 1 by 1 by 1 cube. So I'll dimension this side to 1 inch and do the same with the other side. I'll extrude it to 1 inch, and I'll actually put a bit of a cut in it so we can put something else on it. So I'll go a 1/4 inch from this side, 1/4 inch from the other side, and I'll make a rectangle that goes all the way down right here. Finish sketch. I'll extrude, check this rectangle here, hit cut, and I'll go down 1/2 inch, and I'll also show you some of the thing that you can do in drawing. So I'll just put a hole right here. I'll actually just center it on here. And I'll just create a counter bore hole. And I'll have this be 0.25 and this be 0.125. And we'll have it go 0.75 inches, 3/4 of an inch. And we'll also put another hole up on top right here. So I'll center that. So this one I'll make a countersunk hole. So this one right here. I'm also not going to have it go through all. I'll have this hole be 0.25 is good, and I'll have it go 0.75, and all that seems to be good. And now you'll need to save it, and I'll just save it on my desktop for ease. And we'll make another part that would fit into this hole right here. So it's a 0.5 by 1 inch rectangle. So this side's 1 and this side's 0.5. And this would be 0.5 on the extrusion. I'll also save this in my desktop, and I will create a new assembly. So I will hit place and select my 2 part files. So now my 2 part files are inside. I can right click and hit done. I'll move this right here. So now what I'd want to do is rotate this part so that it's lying horizontally. So there's 2 ways I can do this. I can either right click on the part and click on rotate component, or you could click on the part and hit rotate or G on the keyboard. So I'll just rotate it to where it's somewhat close. This should be good enough. And right now I'll start constraining. So I'll hit the constrain. I'll have a mate constrain this side to this right here. Hit apply, and I will constrain this side here to this side. Then I'll constrain these two edges. And now I will constrain two more edges. I'll actually be going to view, visual style, and shaded with edges to make it a bit easier for me to see. So I'd actually want to constrain, I undid a couple of my mates, so I'd want to constrain this edge right here to this edge. And as you can see, I designed my part a bit too big by these two lines right here. So I'll go and see what I did wrong with my part. So I'll cut down, let's say, a 1/4 inch or 0.025 inches and see. So now I'll just go and see how much I need to add on. It's 0.013, so that means I need to add on 0.0125 for it to fit. And now I have it constrained properly. Everything's good. So now we'll go and create a drawing. It'll take a little while to load up. So now that my drawing's loaded up, I'll change the sheet size, since as you can see it's a C-side border. We don't need that big of a border right now. We can just use an A size. So right click on the sheet 1, edit sheet, and under size hit A and check OK. So under file you'd select your assembly 1 in this case. I'll click wherever I want to place my front view, and yes, save it, and save all of those. And now I drag up, I have my top view, drag to the right, I have my right side view, and up here I can put my isometric view, right click, and hit create. So now you could dimension your piece here. So I have 1 inch here, and here's a cool feature you could use. It's for a countersunk hole. You hit hole and thread, and it automatically dimensions it for you. And as you can see, it has 0.13. So we can edit that by hitting edit whole note, precision and tolerance, and unchecking use global precision, and hitting 3.123 for all of these. And then hitting OK. So now you can continue dimensioning this side right here. I'll dimension this side, this part right here, this part here, and now since I can move on to the front view now, I'll dimension this hole and do the same with its precision. So go back to precision and tolerance, uncheck global precision, and go to 3.123 on all of these, and hit OK twice. And yeah, now you've created a very simple assembly and a very simple drawing. So that should be it for this episode today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.